Now we're going to talk about dictionary operators, functions, and methods. In this video, we're going to take a look at number 1, how we can loop through the items of a dictionary, and how we can remove keys and add new keys. Let's go in and take a look. So let's pick up where we left off last time. Last time we created some dictionaries. What we didn't see is how we can create dictionaries with more than one key. To create dictionaries with more than one key with the dict notation, we do apple equals to fruit, and then we use a comma, and then we create a new assignment, right? We can say banana also equals to fruit. If we assign this to my dict, then we can see that my dict now responds to two different keys, apple and banana. If we give my dict a key that it doesn't recognize, it will throw an error. So there's no key. The way to circumvent this is to use the in operator. So we can say apple in my dictionary is true, whereas kiwi in my dictionary is false. Leveraging this function allows us to write for loops and if-then-else statements to smartly retrieve and change values within the dictionary. We can also reassign values in the dictionary. So now my dict has apple and banana as keys still, but now it has fruit 2 as the value of apple and fruits as the value of banana. So what happens if we want to iterate through a dictionary? What we do is do for. So let's explain what happened in N69. We first created a for loop, but instead of giving it one variable, we gave them two variables, k and v, separated by a comma. What this means is my dict.items would actually return a pair of items every time it loops through things, or my dictionary, instead of one variable, which is why we need two variables, k and v, separated by a comma, to house the values that come from my dict. We then say in. Normally, we give this a list, but here we are saying my dict.items, which gives us a list of two items in one go, a key value pair. So we'll get a pair of apple and fruit 2, and then the pair banana and fruits. When my dict.items iterates through the dictionary, what it would do is it will put apple in the k and fruit in the v, and then execute the code statement block here, which means that we're printing apple and fruit 2. It then iterates to the second key in the dictionary and again puts the key in k and fruit in v, and executes a statement block here, which we then see is banana fruits. So that's how you loop over a dictionary using the items function. I also want to show you how to add a new key to an existing dictionary. So we can actually do my dict kiwi equals to fruit. And now if we access my dictionary kiwi, it no longer throws a key error, and instead it looks up and sees that kiwi is now associated with the value of fruits. We can check my dict again, and you can see that fruit and kiwi are now associated as a key value pair, as a new key value pair within the dictionary. To remove a key is similarly simple. We can do del as a keyword, delete, and we can simply do del my dict kiwi. And now if we go to see my dictionary, we can see that kiwi has disappeared, and if we try to access this key, we'll get a key error, which is exactly the behavior we want. And that's all there is to it. So we talked about looping through the items of a dictionary using the items function. The way this works is if you call the items function in a dictionary, it would sort of transform the dictionary into a list of key value pairs, in which case in your for loop, instead of just saying for x in something, you need to say for key, comma value, or any other variable name you deem fit, but you need to give it a pair of variable names for it to then pass back the key and the value into separate variables so you can use it in the statement block below. We talked about removing keys, which is using the del keyword, delete, and simply inserting the dictionary and the key associated that you want to delete with it. We know that if a key doesn't exist in the dictionary, Python will throw a key error, which shows you that the key doesn't exist and you can't access the value because there's no value to access. And adding new keys is as simple as assigning a new value to a key.